Hey guys, welcome to today's lesson. What we're going to look at is Kinesis Data Analytics streams. AWS actually provide a demo stream, so we're going to use that for the purpose of today's lesson. So let's just go straight in and let's go to Kinesis. When you land on Kinesis, you're going to be presented with your usual three options. So today what we're going to do, as this is just a basic introduction, is the Kinesis Data Analytics stream. And we're just going to create an application. Okay, so what you have to do is then give your application a name. So let's just call this Demo Stream 1. We're not going to bother giving it a description, and we're going to use SQL. So SQL is structured query language, and this is going to allow us to analyze our stream in real time. So let's just create the application. Okay, so what you need to do then is actually connect the source of streaming data to your Kinesis analytics, so you get your counts and stuff. Now, as I said, when I go connect streaming data, you can see that there is an option to do a demo stream. So for purpose of today and the introduction, we'll use the demo stream. In future lessons, what we're going to do is build upon all that information in past videos regarding Kinesis data streams and Firehose and build an end-to-end streaming solution, including analytics. But for today, let's carry on ahead and say create demo. And if you give it about 30 seconds, it will go on and create everything you need. So I'll pause the video here and then we'll pick it back up once we're complete. Okay. Everything has been created. So as you can see, we're now in the place of connecting the stream to a data source. We're using the Kinesis data stream. That's been created in the background called Kinesis Analytics demo stream. And that was all those green ticks appearing from above. This is important. It's going to be referenced as source SQL stream 1. So that will be the from clause of our SQL code. Don't worry too much about this. We'll get to see it in a second when we're in the editor. We'll just leave everything else as default. Scheme discovery is on. So this is what the data actually looks like that's going to be passed through the demo stream into our analytics. So we have a ticker symbol, sector, change in price. So what this is stock data. That's the ticker symbol, that's the sector it's in, that's the change, and that's the real price. So we're just going to save and continue. Once we're here for the real-time analytics, we go to the SQL editor. So, yep, would you like to start running demo stream 1? I certainly would. So that can take up to 30 to 90 seconds. So what I'll do is I'll pause the video here, and then we'll pick it up once the stream is running. And then after that, we'll start looking at actually doing the real-time analytics. Okay, that's our stream up and running. And as you can see, all the data is starting to appear down below. So up until the editor, now as per usual, I will make all this available on GitHub. So you can go on ahead and copy and paste it in, or we can code together and you get a bit of a feel for it. So there's two parts to doing real-time analytics, depending on exactly what you want to do. So what we're going to do today is just some basic counts to get ourselves started. So the first thing you have to do is actually create a stream to place the data onto that looks like the way they want to process the data, and then from there we create a pump and fill that stream with the data that we need. So two parts, follow along. So it's create or replace stream. It's the keyword. Give the stream a name inside quotations. So I'm just going to call this destination SQL stream. I'm just going to copy and paste that in to make sure I spell it correctly. And for speed. And again, if you just want to do the same, copy and paste it in out of the code. Then we need to actually create the stream itself. So what do we want to do? What I'm going to do is take the ticker symbol, and then we're just going to count how many times that ticker symbol's price appears in the stream in a time period that I specify. So again, just follow along. So it's going to be ticker underscore symbol. Yep. And that's a varchar of 4. And then next is we want to have a count of the price column. So we're not summing anything, we're just counting. And that's a double. DUBLE. That's a double. and then it's really important to put your semicolon. So that's the stream, and then what we want to do is pump that stream full of data. Okay, so how do we do that? So then we create or replace pump, create or replace a pump, and then we give it a name. So in this case, we'll call it stream. We'll keep that in capitals actually for clarity. Stream underscore pump, and then as, and then we want to insert into our destination stream. So use the pump to insert into our destination stream. Oh, didn't copy and paste there correctly. Into our destination stream. And then we want to select stream. Select the stream. And then we want the ticker symbol. Yep. And we want to count the price. Oh, count the price as count price from this stream in source. From streaming source. Sorry, let's copy that again. From the streaming source. From the streaming source. Then what we want to do is group by, because we're doing a count, we want to group by, and obviously we're grouping by price. And then the key to it all, we're going to use a step function. So step, follow along, and then I'll explain it once we're done. Step, we want our source. Oh, let's copy that again. We want our source by row time, which is all one word. Row time by interval. Specify in seconds, so we'll go for 15 seconds. 15 second. And then again, you have to close with that semicolon. So what are we doing here? So basically, we're creating a new stream pump called stream pump. We're inserting into our destination stream, which is here, a count of our ticker symbol and our price from our streaming data source, grouping by the price, because obviously we're counting on that. Oh, sorry, counting by the price. Grouping by the ticker symbol, apologies, because we're grouping on that. Counting by the price. And then we use a step function, which basically means do this every 15 seconds. And that should be us. So if we just save and run that SQL, the first thing it does is it validates the SQL to make sure it is correct. And then once it's happy with that, it will start running the SQL itself. So you can see that the savings came through and then it will start to run. I'll pause the video here and then we'll pick it back up after it's finished. Okay, that took about 70, 80 seconds just to process completely. And then it jumps straight onto the screen. So as you can see, destination SQL stream, which is what we call this stream here. We're currently pumping out the number of counts and price of that ticker symbol at 15-second intervals. So every 2 to 10 seconds, it produces new data. As you can see, we have a count of 6 for this ticket symbol, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1. So that's just the start, and this will just keep building up. So that's a really basic introduction to Kinesis Data Analytics and real-time streaming using the inbuilt demo stream. As I said, watch some of the previous videos on this channel on Kinesis, because what we're going to do next is build a real-time streaming application using both Kinesis streams, data streams, and data analytics in real time, pushing these results out to S3 and doing some Athena analytics over the top of them. So Thanks very much for watching today's video. As usual, the resources can be found on www.johnnychivers.co.uk. And until next time, thanks very much.